Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Planner checklists for tasks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Microsoft Planner checklists for tasks, start by opening Microsoft Planner in your web browser or app. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Once you're in Planner, navigate to the specific plan where you want to add checklists. Click on the task that you want to add a checklist to. In the task detail pane on the right, look for the checklist option. Click on Add Checklist. Type the name of your first checklist item in the provided text box. Press the Enter key to add the item to your checklist. Continue adding items by typing in the next checklist item and pressing Enter. You can reorder the checklist items by dragging them up or down within the task detail pane. To mark an item as complete, click on the checkbox next to the item's name. As you progress, you can view the completion status of each item next to its name. If you need to edit or delete an item, hover over the item and click on the three dots that appear. Select Edit to modify the item or Delete to remove it from the checklist. Once you're done, simply close the task detail pane to save your changes. You can easily access and update the checklist anytime by revisiting the task. Repeat these steps for any other tasks that require checklists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.